What is up, guys? We are live.
And for the first time ever, in the same exact room.
That's actually not the first time.
Well, the third time ever.
Wait, have we done it twice before?
I think we've done it twice. I think we did one with just us, one with Brendan, and now we're doing one for the foreseeable future.
Let's go.
So welcome.
Can you put in the chat or the Discord
Yes.
so people
Go shout this out.
can
I'm gonna
remember?
pull chat on my phone too.
What's up, guys? So today we're going to be talking about cryptos, all of that jazz. We're going to wait a little bit to get going. So if you're watching the VOD or video, then you can go ahead and, just wait a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
What's up, guys? What's up? What's up, Josh? What's up, Chase? What's up, Luis? What's up, Lachlan? Hey, how's our audio? Should we bump up the volume a little bit, or is it okay?
Yeah.
Let us know.
Let us know. What is up in the chat? Say something in chat right now, just so we can see what's going on. If you guys, what do you guys want to talk about? What cryptos do you want us to look at? And in general, just what do you guys want us to take a look at and see?
Yes, something I'm seeing right now is like kind of a big, cup and handle. However, we kind of failed the cup and handle, but now we see kind of if we could see some green right here, we could possibly see a cup and handle form and break out. All of crypto has been fairly bullish. We put out a few crypto alerts for the first time in a while on our Discord, and they've been doing absolutely amazing. I can actually pull up the stats here and see how it's going. But yeah, I mean, we figured, hey, we haven't been on a live stream in a while. Might as well hop back on there. Mario said, ETH, Doge, Shiba, Luna, Baby Doge, great volume. Yeah, perfect. Let's go.
Oh, yeah.
Let us know where you're from. Make sure you guys leave a like on the stream. And I'm sure more people pile in here as we just post it in our Discord.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Also, shout out Discord gang. If you're in here from the Discord, we appreciate you.
We mess with y'all.
We mess with y'all heavily. Colorado. Somebody says from Guyana. I've never heard of that.
Boston, Maryland.
Boston. Go Celtics. What, you don't like the Celtics?
You're actually a Celtics fan?
I'm a bandwagon, bro. I'll go with anything.
I thought you liked the Lakers.
Do you like Marcus Smart? Dude, I love the Celtics, bro.
Dallas, Chicago.
DIA.
What's that? DIA. Oh, I'm gonna go get a beer real quick.
Oh,
do you want one?
Yeah. No. Yeah. Sure. Why not? I'll hold the fort down. All right, guys. I'm gonna pretend to be Zach for the next 5 seconds. So anyways, guys.
Okay, sure.
So how y'all doing out there tonight? Hope you guys are all having an amazing time, day, night, whatever it might be, wherever you are in the world out there. Let us know where you're tuning in from. And if you don't want to let us know where you're tuning in from, let us know what cryptos you guys want us to go over right now, what you want me to talk about, what you want Zach to talk about, anything in between. We're holding it down here out in the Discord. Welcome to Crypto Stock Talk, Crypto Stocks, whatever. Oh, and Zach is back. I held it down. No dead air has occurred in the last 20 seconds or so. I've been talking nonstop. And Zach, thank you very much. Not sponsored, and these are safe. These are water. We're drinking water.
No, we're 22. We can drink beer.
We're drinking water.
I'm drinking beer.
But anyways, it's good to see you guys. Will Bitcoin go up to $30,700 today?
37,000?
So that's about like a $600 increase.
Yeah, that's a possibility.
There's potential. Let's take a look at the technicals.
So yeah, I got close. It looks like that's about the what's it called? It looks like that's about the resistance. So it's definitely a possibility that we could break, reach there. But it's kind of all the crypto market is in this cup and handle right now. If we can break above this cup and handle, we could definitely see maybe even 31,000 Bitcoin tonight. It really depends if the pattern continues to fail. We won't, but we are starting to trend back up on the MACD. We're only at a 62 RSI, which is a bit oversold, but for the most part, we're looking pretty good here. Intention, Invest Jeremiah, Rep Koval, and Gal. Okay, yeah. What cryptos do you guys want us to go over?
Dude, he's got some esoteric cryptos with those ones. I've never heard of them.
Yeah. Well, what cryptos do you guys want us to go over? We'll go over whatever you guys want. If you guys want just kind of a rundown on what I've been looking into recently, mostly, it's kind of mostly been Solana and Ethereum have been my big buys, and then also Chainlink, We also have Avalanche, Aave. Aave is my favorite value buy.
Aave is like insane as far as long-term value is concerned in the crypto space. I mean, and look at the price too. Compared to all of these other projects that maybe are a little bit more spectacle in nature, Aave has been the one that has like held up its value. Everything that's happened so far, Aave has done really, really well.
I really like Tezos too. I don't know if you've been really looking into Tezos much, but Tezos
it's been a minute. I vaguely know what it is, but
I've been making a lot of videos on Tezos recently. If you guys have been watching the videos, I've been doing this. Really cool thing about Tezos actually. It's like a self-amending blockchain, and it was developed by 2018 by a husband and wife co-founder duo.
Really? They have a pretty big market cap too, don't they? They're 1.81 billion.
Yeah,
that's
so
nuts.
Pretty solid. And basically what it does is it was the first DAO actually.
Oh, really?
Decentralized autonomous organization. So I mean, and they've been doing pretty well, especially over the past 24 hours. It was in my video today. If you guys watched the video today, shout out. But yeah,
shout out YouTube notification gang. I see a few people talking about GMT. I can't remember what GMT is. I don't remember every single ticker off the top of my head.
GMT. Well, where's CoinMarketCap?
Classic. Ooh, I like their website. That's pretty.
You already on it?
No. The one for Tezos.
Oh, Steppen. Okay, so this actually, Biaheza made a video on this. If you guys don't know who Biaheza is, he's a dope kind of finance YouTuber. He's kind of doing other stuff as well. But he did a YouTube video on this. And basically how it works, have you heard of it?
I haven't.
Okay, so how...
I remember now what this is. Okay,
Did you watch the video?
I watched the video, but I wasn't like aware of what the coin was exactly. Okay, this makes more sense now. Never mind. But go ahead.
I mean, it's just a Web3 like lifestyle app that also has a cryptocurrency with it, and basically people just make earnings off of walking and jogging. Now, they are in like their 6th phase of their what they want to do, and right now they have a few things coming up with their quest system, achievement system. So I'm assuming if you hit a certain achievement you get paid more, and then also they have a few other things coming up as well. But really GMT, I don't know how it's gonna do in the long term. That's why I kind of haven't like alerted it in our Discord,
which you should definitely join if you haven't already. Link is going to be in the chat right now, just so you guys need it.
Yeah, so we have a free section of our private Discord.
Yeah, our Discord is not private anymore, guys. So if you were ever on the fence,
part of it is, but
I mean, if you're not already in here in the Discord, shout out our Discord members that are joining, whether you're free or a premium member. We love all you guys.
But yeah, so I mean, it's weird. They usually have these numbers, but they don't right now. But I mean, this is one I did do a video on it in my low market cap video. So if you guys want to get my thoughts on it, you can watch that. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty cool. You should definitely watch Biahez's video on it. I'm gonna be honest. But it's pretty cool.
Go to the price, the chart on CoinMarketCap, and then pull up the 3-month. I want to see something. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. All right,
but that's the whole crypto market, though.
Of course, yeah. That's the problem, guys. Is that some of these narrative-driven plays, like Steppen, which I think actually is a very interesting project that's clearly putting in a lot of time in the development, and they're still pretty cheap comparatively. But you have to consider too the amount of gains that they've been able to crank out over the last couple of months. Just if you look at the price chart here, I mean, we can take a look, right? Literally, what was that? 3/16, 2022. Less than $1 now. Soaring up to highs of about $3, and of course pulling back heavily on the crypto dip. I don't know. It's not something I'm buying right now. I think, like Zach said, we haven't really alerted to it yet, just because the market has been in kind of a lot of turmoil as of late. So
we just started to alert crypto again because I think we've
bottomed out here a little bit. And shout out for the free alert there.
We've made some great we've made some great like support here, and pretty much the whole crypto market. I mean, Solana is my favorite example. By the way, guys, leave a like on the stream. Let's try to get to 20 likes. There's no reason we shouldn't be at 20 likes. Smash that like button,
baby. Let's
go.
Come
on. But yeah, over the past 3 months, you can see here, obviously, we were just in a free fall, especially like last week or a little over a week ago. But now it looks like we've kind of made a support here around the 47 for Solana, even though it kind of made its way back down. You can see today we're up 5%. So I think the whole crypto market, we found a support, and we're going to start our next bull run here. If you guys guys were in the Discord, you know I was talking about it. I think June was going to be our bull run month. I didn't think we are going to fall as much as we did in May, but that's why I paused buying. That's why I didn't buy the whole May. If you go into our Discord and look at our alerts, there was no crypto alerts because I didn't feel comfortable with it.
Sure. Market was just crazy.
We hadn't made a support yet, and it looks like we finally made a support.
Somebody said AVAX versus Sol. Personally, I'm an
Solana.
AVAX diet. Oh, really? Okay, well, there you go. Different opinions. But I think both are incredible projects. Like, they're both great.
We can go over both of them
now.
Why
not? You know?
So, I mean, I can go over Solana because that's my
I don't think AVAX is going to, like, replace Ethereum like some people are, like, saying it's going to. But I definitely think that any blockchain that is prioritizing speed, efficiency, and overall effectiveness, I think is going to be the future. Like, that is going to be absolutely nuts if that is the case. Oh, is it getting dark?
Yeah.
There we go. Can you guys see us now? Okay, cool.
Turn that thing on.
Yeah, bet.
Yeah, press that and then bring it up. He has two things in his hands.
Is that good?
Yeah, that's good. That's great. Cool. Sorry.
Sorry about that. Technical difficulties.
But anyways, what were you saying about AVAX?
I was just saying that I think AVAX is better than Solana just because of.
All right, let me
narrative.
tell me why you're wrong.
Okay.
Oh, the narrative. Yeah, so they actually talk about that narrative about AVAX really well on public. And basically, public always gives a description of what it is.
Right.
It says it's one of Ethereum's rivals aiming to unseat Ethereum as the most popular smart contracts. It aims to do this by having a higher transaction output, about 6,500. And now you can see that they actually have launched their multiverse, where they're trying to grow their subnets, which basically helps them to have infinite transactions per second.
Dude, that's gonna be nuts. They're already at like 4,500 transactions per second per subnet. I think they've jumped to. Oh, okay. It's been a minute then.
Yeah,
I was doing research the other night. And I was trying to find the current number.
So now,
there we go. Okay.
So now you can see, just like a comparison. Like Avalanche has infinite transactions per second with subnets, obviously, compared to Ethereum's 14 and Bitcoin 7. This is a bit outdated. It's a bit more than that, but in terms of transaction finality, it's like less than 2 seconds for a transaction to finish. With Ethereum, it's about 6 minutes. Bitcoin 60. That's not going to be possible to use in the long term. Now you can go into forking, and there's different things like Bitcoin Cash or Polygon Matic.
Oh Jesus Christ! Somebody just mentioned Bitcoin Cash 2 in there. That was kind of perfectly timed.
Yeah. Don't hit my
It was
desk
an accident,
anymore.
bro.
Jesus, what if you hurt yourself? Anyways.
Oh, you're so concerned?
Yeah, I am very concerned.
Yeah, Bitcoin, honestly, the only reason Bitcoin's going to be valuable in the future is just because there is a finite amount of it. I'm going to be real. As far as overall, reasons to use Bitcoin as a transaction system and for privacy, it's like when computers were first invented, right? We don't use the first computer anymore because the first computer is no longer effective and optimal for everyday use, right? The first computer is extremely slow. It's extremely unoptimized for everything. Like, look at all these other cryptocurrency projects that have built on the successes of previous projects. Like Zcash, for instance, is a good example of this, where it took Bitcoin's privacy feature, or privacy features, I should say, that lets you, transact on private networks, and they expanded on it, and they made it a lot better. I think that if anything, these cryptocurrency projects are going to make more sense long term than they will short term. The big players right now that have all the attention, that's where all the volume is, right? That's where all the buying is. But I think that narrative is going to change over time. And once that narrative does change, I think then we'll start to see a lot higher and better, just in general growth in these projects and the price, and of course the actual project themselves. Personal opinion.
But yeah, so the reason I like Solana a bit better is because it makes use of what is called a proof of history protocol as well as a proof of stake protocol. So if you guys don't know, these different Bitcoin and Ethereum, they both use the proof of work protocol. Now, a lot of people care about the environment with the proof of work protocol. I don't care as much about that part. However, see, I'm as real as it gets on this channel.
But the
I'm
thing
just letting you guys know.
It makes sense from like a business standpoint if you look at it from that angle, because think about it, right? Corporations, businesses, and everything. If you are not a green company in the next 10 to 15 years, you are going to be outmoded. Whether it's by the government or whether it's by some other type of institution, you're not going to be able to operate because you as a company need to be operating in some type of fashion that's going to help either decrease carbon emissions or in general not produce any more. And again, these cryptocurrencies, there's a lot of debate, right, about whether or not, Bitcoin, for instance, is a good example of this when that whole debacle happened, when it was like, Bitcoin's not environmentally friendly, kind of is, kind of isn't, it goes both ways. But, these crypto projects, I think if they want to survive, especially with the current way administration is going and the way that, green politics, if you want to call them that, are going, they need to be green, right? Because and I get what you're saying, that doesn't necessarily matter to the user, but I think in the regulatory environment, that's going to matter a whole lot more, because a lot of these companies are going to get literally pounded into the ground if they can continue to be green or create green initiatives.
And in my opinion, they need to pander to the vocal minority, because there might not be as many people that really care too much about it. Like,
oh sure,
but the people who are vocal about it are the ones who care and then bring bad press. True. And then some people will be like, oh yeah, you know what? The environment, I want it to be safe. So I mean, if they're not a green company, like you said, now I'm not going to use you anymore.
Right.
But anyway, so Bitcoin and Ethereum both use the proof of work protocol. Solana uses a proof of stake through staking, so that very much helps out the environment, and then also makes things quicker. And then also they pair it with a proof of history protocol. That's not something that usually is used alone, but when it pairs with the proof of stake protocol, it makes them able to have 2,300 transactions per second. Now that is variable. Sometimes it goes down to 1,000. Sometimes it goes up to 3,000. But they've had 75 billion total transactions. Their average cost per transaction is below a cent, much below a cent. And they have about 1,700 validator nodes. Now, they're the fastest blockchain in the world. That doesn't make sense, because they also say they're the fastest blockchain. It's like,
everybody's the fastest blockchain in the world.
It's like coffee, and
people
are like the best
it's the Ford truck
coffee
of the year, or no, what is it? The Chevy Motors, or no, there's like one magazine that does it where it's like the car of the year. What is it? The American Motorsport Car of the Year, or no, New York Times bestseller. Every book's a New York Times bestseller.
Exactly.
It's like this. So. Every blockchain is the fastest blockchain in existence. Somebody asked Polygon or Polkadot?
Polygon.
Okay, cool. Glad we got that under control.
Would you expect Solana to go up starting in June or later? Right now. Right now is the best time to be buying, in my opinion. But we'll talk about that more in our Discord. If you guys don't know, we have a free section in our Discord. We're going to be putting out a free alert tomorrow. So if you guys want to get that free alert, go ahead and join our free section of our private Discord. If you can put it in the chat. It should be in the chat now. Literally free to join. You do not have to purchase a single thing.
We do free alerts. There's a whole 9 yards. I think you guys really enjoy being a part of it.
And then we also have a premium section, but that's for people who want to be a bit more active and get alerts like, daily. 5 to 6 times a day. Yeah. The free alerts are, about every other day or so, and it's only one. But still, you get value and you get to talk to us. So if you guys want to join that, join the Discord. But yeah, if you guys have any other questions or want us to talk about any other cryptos, let us know.
Let us know in the chat. Just chat away. Hey, what do you guys want us to talk about? What do you guys think we should be looking at as far as cryptos go? Do you have questions about a crypto that you might want to know about? Where's the growth going to be? Should I, be looking at this? Should I be looking at something else? Let us know, right? We're here. We want to answer your questions and help you guys out. Of course, that is our goal at the end of the day.
I think he asked us why Polygon over Polkadot. I can bring them up and compare them. For one, Polkadot does have a higher market cap, so just a little bit less room for growth. Polkadot has about twice as big a market cap as Polygon Matic, so even if they're close in utility, I would just give it to Polygon just because they have more growth potential just off of that. But we can go over what both of them are real quick. Polygon is basically going to be a layer 2 Ethereum blockchain. It's the most popular layer 2 Ethereum blockchain. And yeah, they're just trying to basically help people build scalable, user-friendly dApps, decentralized applications with low transaction fees, which I actually personally use Polygon when we made our NFT collection to get those funds off of.
The gas fees are nothing.
The gas fees are absolutely nothing with Polygon. Literally 19,000 dApps have used Polygon, and that number is only growing. It has Ethereum compatibility. Obviously, it's a layer 2 blockchain, scalability, security. I just love Polygon. But then also, Polkadot is also good. I just don't see it as a top 10 crypto.
Both these projects are solid. It's just that I think, like Zach said, the narrative behind Polygon, Polygon, in specific, I think has a lot more potential for growth. Just because it seems to be, for whatever reason, slept on a lot more by the overall crypto markets compared to Polkadot. Considering the higher market cap, considering everything else, there's just more growth opportunities in general for Polygon.
Exactly. But I mean, they are pretty good because Polkadot is a cross-chain, blockchain, and they basically just try to connect things, and they have high security also and energy efficiency, like we were talking about earlier. It's green, and then you can create a custom blockchain. Say you wanted to create a custom blockchain, you could do it, and they also help you to be able to do it as well. Right. And it's a lot easier than a lot of different networks for creating one of those blockchain.
Somebody said, "What about Shiba Inu? Future ? Or die ? Well, I mean, I don't think it's gonna die necessarily. Future, I mean, like, again, you can look at the market cap. It's still number 15th market cap, which is pretty impressive for a meme. I mean, guys, come on, let's be real. It's kind of a meme coin at this point. But like, I mean, the huge pullback that wait, I'm trying to see here. No, the huge pullback that we witnessed, just a couple of weeks ago in the last couple of months in May. I don't know, the future is a little bit shaky for these types of cryptocurrencies, and especially with Terra Luna crashing pretty much literally out of existence at that point. I don't know, it becomes kind of hard to justify you buying, any significant amount of Shiba Inu at this kind of level. However, I will say, like, it's kind of a gamble, right? Like, if I want to throw, $200, $300, maybe $1,000 at most into this at low price and see what happens, maybe I'll do that. But, as far as big positions go,
Yeah, I mean, if you guys want some free Shiba Inu or some free crypto in general, you guys can actually use Public to get a free stock. So if you guys don't know, Public, all you have to do is deposit $1 on this platform. It's a stock and crypto trading platform. If you deposit $1, you're going to get up to $300 worth of free stock. I personally got a $300 stock of Amazon one time. So if you guys want to test out your luck, see what you're going to get on that, there's no way to lose money. You can go and deposit that $1, and then also you guys can follow us on there at It's Finance Bro if you want to. And yeah, I mean, literally, it's free money, so you might as well try it out. It's gonna be,
the link is in the chat.
Link's gonna be in the chat. It's also the first link in the description, and then also second link in the description. Join our private Discord.
Absolutely. The crypto market will definitely bounce back even though everything... Oh, wait. Sorry, I read that wrong. Even though everything is down, it is a great buy opportunity. Yeah, that's what me and Zach have mostly been doing, too. We've just been kind of buying the dip as of late. But not until the last couple of days.
It's called public.com, by the way.
Public.com.
Yeah. Literally, so May, I was talking about this in our Discord a lot. I was telling people, like, I'm not buying right now. I'm waiting. I think June will be the bullish month. And I believe we're starting a little bit earlier than I thought, just because, how are you supposed to time that? Yeah. You need to see where the price is at before you can really tell that. But this is about the time where I thought it would start going up. And these past couple of days have been a confirmation of what I was thinking about when we would start this next bullish run. And I think it's going to be a very good month for crypto in June. And I can't wait.
Absolutely.
Make sure you guys leave a like on the stream. Let's try to get to 25 likes. We should be able to do that. No prob.
Everyone go smash that like button, baby.
If you haven't left a like yet, then I'm sad.
It takes 5 seseconds,
It takes even just 2 seconds. If I'm going to be honest.
2 seconds. Might even take 1.
If I'm going to get, a little bit.
It's absolutely free.
If I'm going to, really be real with these people, it might even be half a second.
It might even be half a second. It takes literally no time whatsoever. So hit that like button, guys, if you haven't already. Let's get this stream, like we said, to 25 likes. We'd appreciate it immensely if you guys did that.
Luna 1 project is not a new project. That thing was getting spammed in our live streams in like October. And it's trash, by
Discord link says invite invalid.
Oh, it's probably... Wait, really?
Really? I took it straight from the description of this video.
Well, see if it's invalid. See if it's invalid.
Let me click it. Where am I going? There we go.
Okay, while he does that, I'll continue to talk. Check it out, bros. Oh, yeah, no. Luna 1 project is absolute garbage. I am not ashamed to say that. I'm still heavily invested in Sheeb, TBH. Oh, what's up? Chris's paranormal investigation has been.
Yo, let's go.
How often do you guys say you're buying and selling, or how long are you holding certain cryptos? I mean, with these cryptos, this is like cryptos are mostly like a week to month long trades for me, you know, or I have big investments, obviously. But I mean, you know, with stock options like we do in our Discord, that's like a day.
Multi-day sometimes.
There's some where I tell people, hey, I'm holding this for a week or two. But like this last one where we had a 600% gainer.
600% gainer. But either way,
did you check the?
I did, and it like took me to the website. Like it didn't even say it was invalid. It like took me to some weird website. Like I'm not logged in, so I'm not sure. All right, well, while we figure it out. Let me figure it out.
I mean, it says it works for me.
It says it works. Maybe you're not logged into Discord or something like that. I'm not sure.
You might have to log into Discord. Has anyone joined the Discord since they joined this live stream and did it work?
Who wasn't from the Discord? Let us know in the chat right now if it worked when you guys clicked that link. If it didn't, of course, let us know as well. What do you guys think about Shibarium? You know, it's this like Shiba Inu effect.
He's a hater.
You know, I'm not a hater on Shiba Inu. I just think that after all we covered Shiba Inu for months, guys. Months we were at it every single day, just trying to make sure that we were, you know, bringing the latest news and keeping up to date with everything. And just time and time again, I feel like the community got let down more and more and more. And while it is still a project that I think has potential to do well in the future if the right conditions are met, I think right now, unfortunately, crypto and the volatility that we're experiencing because of it, it's just not a great environment right now. So that's why my position's still kind of small with Sheeb. I'm still holding.
See, that's not what he asked. He asked about Shibarium.
But Shibarium goes with Sheeb like in and into me. So I was just like, I think Shibarium, you know, okay, is it really going to change that much when they implement it?
It's literally Polygon-matic.
But it's not called Polygon-matic, and everybody's going to look at it and go, you know, maybe. I don't know.
Kyle doesn't have a very strong opinion.
I mean, listen, this is why, you know, we both do this, right? Because we have two different opinions on a lot of different stuff, and, you know, you guys can get my side of things, you can get his side of things, and it works out perfectly.
Yeah, Zach's side of things is better because he researches it more.
Of course. What do you think of Tesla's stock? I'm expecting a split later this year, and I'm trying to load up.
They're gonna split again? Is that
he's confirmed? Expecting what he said? I don't know if that means they're guaranteed. I'm assuming that's probably not guaranteed, if I had to guess.
What's Tesla at? Oh, I can look it up on here.
I mean, Tesla's taking a pretty big dip, especially after the recent Elon Musk allegations that are going on right now.
Allegations?
Yeah, have you heard?
Of what?
Like, you know, SA. Like, kind of, not SA, but like he like...
Really?
Yeah. He, like,
with what?
He did stuff. It's probably not stuff I can say like on camera if we don't want to get like, you know, the stream taken down, but... He didn't do anything crazy. Well, okay, he did do. I don't know.
No, everyone just hates Elon Musk, bro.
It's alleged. There's nothing 100% confirmed yet. Keep that in mind. But again, there are some allegations right now with Elon Musk about his conduct with a flight attendant or something like that on SpaceX.
I'm sure it's true.
So, you know, that's affecting Tesla's price. As far as the split goes, we'll see.
So why are all these Tesla?
You're looking at it on like from like a crypto perspective, I think. You need to find, like,
it is. It is on crypto. What the?
Yeah.
It's so weird.
Perfect. Nasdaq. But yeah, I mean, as far as Tesla's weird because it used to be a growth, you know, play, and now it's more of a. I mean, some people think this is a blue chip. I don't necessarily know if it's a blue chip.
It is a blue chip.
I mean, you gotta think, man. Car companies are fascinating creatures, you know.
So Ford isn't a blue chip?
Ford is a blue chip. Well, actually, I would not consider Ford a blue chip.
I just saw Ford on a blue chip.
I mean, blue chips, you got to get a return, man. You got to get a decent return out of it. But either way, I mean, you know, for short-term gains, there might be some kind of narrative play in here that could be made. It just depends. I tried the Discord link again, but I still get the same message, invite invalid. Also, I'm already logged into Discord.
I don't know. I just got it.
Well, Edward, did you come from our Discord? I know it's a dumb question, but maybe you did. I don't know. But if you didn't, then we need to generate a new invite or something like that.
I don't think we do.
Do we?
Don't.
Well, Zach's gonna try. We're gonna try right now. But either way, I'll read your guys' questions in the chat. Let us know in the chat if you have any questions about cryptocurrency, and I will answer them to the best of my ability. What's the best way to stay crypto, and what would you use to do it? We used to use, or I don't know if Zach still does, I used crypto.com for a little bit, but since then I've kind of pulled a little bit of money out of there, and I've kind of shifted things. I like aave, or aave, however you pronounce it. I like that. Their ecosystem for staking is pretty good. You can earn pretty good interest on most cryptocurrencies. BlockFi does a decent job, except for the fact that they have a really...
Are you talking about crypto exchanges?
Staking. Talking about staking.
Oh, Binance staking.
Yeah, Binance has good staking as well. Coinbase staking, absolutely god awful. Like, don't use Coinbase staking. It's not good. It's literally, the interest rates are terrible. You don't earn anything.
Yeah, Binance staking has the best staking rewards.
You just got to be careful with staking sometimes. Make sure you really believe in the project, and even if it was to crash horrendously, you're willing to hold through. Whatever happens, because.
Well, it depends on how long you do it. If you just do it for a month, that could just be a trade.
Yeah, totally.
Like
you get a little interest on that, and it's you run with the gains you get, and you're good to go.
Make sure you guys leave a like on the stream.
We're almost at 25 likes. We're at 22 likes right now. Let's go to 30 likes now, guys. Hit that like button if you haven't already. It's the easiest thing to do. It takes about 1 second to do. Just go down there in the description, hit that like button, and then when you're done, comment done, and then I'll read your names.
I don't
know if you want.
I'm gonna try to join the server.
Zach is fixing the Discord link as we speak.
Well, I'm not fixing it. I think it's fixed already. But
it's fixed. Okay.
I mean, it should just work.
I'm logged in to other Discord groups with multiple windows. Huh.
Yeah, it worked.
Okay. Well, the invite link works, so maybe that's an issue.
Issue for who?
For Ed.
Oh yeah.
Cool, not sure, my friend.
It works though. It works.
Maybe there's just some issue or something with that. Not really sure. Okay, well, either way, very cool. What else do we got? Let us know in the chat if you guys have any questions about cryptocurrency or stocks, whatever you guys want to talk about. Even if you have questions about life.
I have a question for you.
Yeah, what's up?
What do you think about Apecoin?
I think Apecoin. So I think Apecoin is.
It's on public.
How do I put this? It's like the project not the use case, but the fundamentals behind the project, right? Who's creating the project, what they're doing, and everything. I think that there's definitely some solid stuff there. I think that the bathing, Bored Ape Yacht Club and everything, I think that's brilliant. And of course, the fact that they're creating a token that's going to have its own utility and everything, I think that's really cool too. Whether or not it continues to grow into the coming months, maybe even the coming years, I think that's still kind of a toss-up in my opinion.
Have you seen this video?
Yeah, play the video. It looks cool. Other side trailer. This guy.
Or this one.
I don't know which one. They're both the one by the official.
Let me ask you
only 10.
a question.
You might need to turn that volume down too, so
why?
Because I think
Tired of high fees and slow transactions?
Fixed it.
Oh, you fixed it. But yeah, so I mean, this is cool, in my opinion. And the other side, NFTs, this was like a massive success, right? They sold out in like instantly. Was the other side? Were they NFTs? They were NFTs, right? Or was it land?
It's connected.
It's connected. Okay.
But yeah, it is other side.
But that's the thing. I think this is really cool.
And have you seen like the actual gameplay trailer though? It looks really good.
It seems well developed, for sure.
I should probably
gameplay.
It was on here. It is. I think
That one right there.
Yeah. This is.
Oh wow.
This is bad quality, but
of course 720p.
It was better quality on Twitter.
I mean, it's like developed though, like.
Yeah. This is.
Whoa.
Fortnite Season 34 looks cool.
It does look
seriously. It's like it does look a lot like Fortnite.
What's the objective of the game? Like, what is it? Like
it's
a
metaverse.
Royale? Oh, it's just a metaverse. So you just exist.
It's not a game.
And you walk around. And...
Yeah, it's.
Yeah, this looks a lot like.
You go and it's like. Do you know what Decentraland is?
Yes, I do.
So it's Decentraland, but just with Apecoin.
Huh.
So that's the thing is like this is a metaverse crypto, but it also has an NFT project behind it, and then it also has a DAO or decentralized autonomous organization.
Right.
And I mean it looks good. So I mean
I think it does look good. Graphics are really impressive.
And it looks a lot better with full quality. I just don't know where it is. I don't want to.
Yeah, I got you. That's cool though. So like I said, I think that if that does go all to plan, clearly there's a lot of things that are potentially very successful or could potentially be very successful with the other side in Apecoin, just in general, everything that they're doing. But time will tell. I have a position. I have a position with Apecoin. It's not big, but it's a position nonetheless, and it's something that I'm probably going to keep holding into the future. So we'll see.
Big bet.
I don't think it's going to be widespread enough I will say this. They have done a very good job at marketing and doing exactly what you think that they're not going to do, Chase, which is being widespread. I feel like they are very good at being widespread. I mean, the other side, NFTs sold out in 30 seconds. Bored Ape Yacht Club is incredibly popular. I think that trailer that we just watched before got a couple million views. They're pretty popping. And, even though I'm not saying that that's a main indicator of, oh yeah, they're going to be so successful because they get so many views. Not at all, right? There's plenty of projects that have a lot of eyeballs on them that aren't successful, but it does help. It does help, especially with celebrities and this is kind of when you think of NFTs, I mean, that's the first thing that comes to mind, right? That's kind of the first project really that you can kind of off the top of your head think of.
I accidentally left the server, so you're going to have to grant me
oh, that's awesome.
Founder.
I got you.
It's so funny. But yeah, I really like Apecoin personally. It's been in a lot of my best cryptos to buy now. If you don't mind me asking, where do you guys come from? Do you come from our sheep videos? Do you come from our crypto to buy now videos? Let us know in the comments. I'm very curious to see. And also, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe if you guys haven't already. If you guys want to comment, by the way, you have to subscribe. So if you were trying to comment and it wasn't working, that's what you have to do. Also, any channel members in here? Have any channel members commented?
Not that I've seen so far.
I just want to shout them
There's
out.
some familiar faces out here though, people who used to watch us because we kind of stopped live streaming a little bit, got busy, but we're back in full swing. Found y'all on YouTube today and joined the monthly Discord, so I'm rocking with y'all. Yes, Chase, we've seen you in the Discord. Yeah, that's awesome. I think I talked to you today, actually, so shout out you. Welcome.
That's good dope. To have you. I hope you continue to watch and learn, and we're going to be putting out a lot more learning content, content for you guys to learn with on the Discord, so
absolutely. You
will definitely reap those benefits. But yeah, any other, cryptos you want us to go over, guys?
Let us know. Last call for your crypto needs, your crypto ponderments, your crypto questions, your crypto queries, your crypto y'all opinions on Sol.
Ooh, he wasn't here for our opinions, but I can give you my opinion. It's my favorite top 10 crypto at the moment. Oh yeah. Out of all the cryptos in the top 10, definitely not Dogecoin. I don't like Cardano. XRP is a mystery.
Raphael said DIA. What's DIA?
What is DIA? Let's just see it.
Let's go to the search bar.
DIA.
DIA token.
Hey, I'm back.
Pull? Question mark? Oh my God! Look at that chart. Go down to the chart.
What happened? Was there some big event today?
Raphael, expand upon your DIA thesis. Why do you like?
There was a lot of volume at the start here. Now it's just tapered off, but the volume's coming back a bit now. Let's see what this is.
Yeah, cross-chain open source oracles for Web3.
It's cross-chain end-to-end.
So basically Chainlink. Okay.
End-to-end open source data oracle platform. Yeah, it's basically Chainlink.
So Chainlink, the same thing.
Any data, DI platform, NFT gaming. Yeah, it just looks like Chainlink, to be honest.
I would just invest in Chainlink if I was going to buy this.
Yeah,
if I wanted to buy something like this, I'd probably just buy Chainlink.
I could see the argument that has a lower market cap, but you could also lose all your money on it. So
what's the next coin that will explode like Shiba and Doge? Okay, let's take 16 cryptocurrencies with a dart and just. Yeah. And even then, you're probably wrong. Again, it's impossible to tell. The best way to tell, honestly, is if some kind of social media firestorm and gets kicked off.
This is
if everybody starts talking about it on TikTok, that's
this can help. Step in is in a lot of steam recently. I've seen Step in on Lunar Crush a lot.
Yeah.
But stuff like Baby Doge is not gonna ever take off. It's getting a little bit of hype right now, but nah. No, I like Step
Not
in.
Not long term. It's a good short term narrative trade.
How much is Step in? What's the market cap? Yeah, it's already at 850 million though, and that's
overvalued.
Yeah,
way overvalued.
It's overvalued.
It should be in the market price.
So if you would have got this at 100 mil, 100, then I'd like that. But yeah, any last minute questions before we get going?
Yep. Anybody else? Last minute questions? Fire them away. Speak now or forever hold your peace.
Make sure that you guys join our free private free section or private Discord.
Second link.
Second link in the description. And then also, if you guys want to get a free stock, all you have to do is deposit $1 on public. You're going to get up to $300 worth of free stock. I personally got a $300 stock of Amazon just a couple weeks ago. So if you guys want to try out your luck there, all you have to do is deposit $1. It really doesn't take much. It's the first link in the description, and I'm sure that Kyle just posted both of those. Did you?
Yes, that's correct. Listed here, the live stream, lowercase. I have no clue. Maybe did something else.
Oh, how is that?
Maybe when I copy and paste it, does something weird.
Okay, well, just use the description then.
Either way, second link down in the description. Yeah. Oh, if you guys want to join the private Discord, that's all you guys got to do. But other than that,
you did not post the
link or what?
You did not post the public link.
I did.
Oh, I don't see it on here.
It's way up there, I think.
Oh no, I meant like do it now.
Oh, well, there you go. But either way, if you guys want to pick up free stock, like Zach just said, hit that public link down in the chat right now if you guys want to pick one up. And of course, too, get in our Discord. It's linked all in the chat. You guys can go in there, hop in there.
Those should both be the correct links.
Yep. But either way, you get free money from one, and you get free information from the other.
Yep. So pretty much everything is free.
It's a win-win.
Go get you some stuff. But subscribe if you guys haven't already. We'll see you guys in the next live stream or video tomorrow.
Later.